Welcome to School of Sniper Entries, episode number 4. So today I'll be teaching you on how to handle Forex losses or just losses in general in the Forex market. And it hit me because I got a loss. Yesterday I did also lose, so I lost 2 times in 2 days, basically. And I really wanted to be honest with you when it comes to sniper entries and all of that, because it's not always, you know, a walk in the park whenever you're trading. And I'm gonna show you 8 steps on how to really handle it while I'm teaching you on what went wrong over here, that you can understand technically what I didn't do right and as well and how to really deal with them. So let's go in. So the first one that I want to teach you as we're going about structure, I'm on the daily time frame, but the first point that I want to teach you, I'll put it on the screen right now. Acknowledge the loss. That's the very first thing. So yesterday it was CPI, and it's the first CPI that I have lost this year. Okay, first CPI that I've lost this year. I was anticipating the CPI over here at this point. Let me just see if I could get something. The CPI to actually sell around this point, touch this, and then go up, then get to. That's what I was anticipating. But then we sold everybody within my mentorship who has our strategy. It was saying sells. And when it comes to strategies, it is consistent. I mean, it's not 100%, but it's consistent. And it's very hard to lose when you're always used to winning. So many of them are like, a shock because they always used to winning every single time. I mean, today people made money with the PPI as I'm doing this video, right? And the next loss that I took, guys, was this one over here. Okay, this one over here was a demand level on gold. This is still on gold, guys. Demand level on gold, and I set a buy there and a stop loss over here. It kicked me out, and I went back into our entry. So yeah, I know exactly why I lost this, but let me just teach you quickly. So the first thing, as I said, acknowledge your loss without being judgmental to yourself, right? Remind yourself that losses are just part of the game and not a reflection of your skill. So I never take it like I'm not a skilled trader or so and so and so. And apart from that, as you can see, it actually bought and missed my sell limit over here with just 1 pip and then just tanked all the way down. I think that is a bigger pain on my side than actually having loss, is to miss making profit and opportunity. But number two, how do you deal with it? Pause and reflect. Many of you don't take that opportunity to pause and reflect on the loss that you took. I understood why I took the loss, right? I acknowledged it without judging myself. I've been in the game for 8 years, so I pretty much understand losses at this point. But I still pause and reflect, take a break to prevent emotional trading, basically step back a little bit, cool off before making any new decisions on the markets. And I always do that. Even today, see, I haven't traded anything because I pause and reflect, step back and compose myself, then come back when I'm, not emotional. Third, I want to talk to you about the third one is analyze with intention. So once you've gotten the loss, you want to really review your trades, which is what I'm doing with you over here. So over here, we did have this demand level that I was seeing here on the daily time frame. I already knew this one was not going to hold. So I was looking at really taking it from this demand and then back testing. I mean, like for it to really, push back and really retest one of the lower lows. So that's what I was targeting. Let me just go back to the H1. So I understood why I lost, but I was not targeting this lower low over here and in order to sell further more. Probably I am still going to target this lower low. Let me just show you guys this lower low that I'm talking about, where we have a break and retest over here. So I was anticipating that we can actually catch this buy up, then sell further. But of course, as you can see, it stops us out because we didn't leave enough room to breathe. So I can review that and understand it. So I want you to always do that. Analyze with intention. Number 4, learn and document. I do have a trade journal myself. whereby I learn and document whatever that the trades and the mistakes, even the wins that I have. Sometimes this YouTube channel, the videos that I'm taking now, it's also me documenting exactly what goes on when I'm trading, just to show you my wins, but not only my wins, my losses. So on your side, have a book or whatever electronic device platform you can use, Google Sheets or whatever the case, document what you lost so that you shouldn't do those mistakes again. Number five that I really want to talk about is reaffirm your trading plan. Okay, reaffirm your trading plan. So I know my trading plan, I know my strategy, my entry rules, and everything. You need to revisit that. So revisit your strategy, ensure that you're aligned with your trading plan, focusing on long-term success, not short-term results. So many of you guys, you switch up your trading plan after one or two losses. You think there's something wrong, or you think there's something wrong with your strategy. No, just reaffirm it and see, oh, okay, we're still on the good lane. Again, guys, if you don't have a strategy that you can work with, we have just recently availed a very good, just easy to follow along strategy together with a Forex approach checklist where you can follow that checklist as a trade plan to reaffirm your entries and a good consistent strategy that I've been using for quite a while. If you're that person, do inbox us. We'll put our WhatsApp link over there. Do get yourself that Forex approach checklist. It is not for free. It will come at a very small cost, just as a cost that will usually cost you a meal or something whenever you're buying takeaways. Just once off, but it's going to help you a lifetime where you keep that document for yourself and really make sure you're always in check, especially for those who don't have trading plans or a specific strategy. Now, let's go to the sixth step over here that I want to talk about is practice self-compassion. Many of you guys, you hate yourself as soon as you actually lose. You basically not allowing yourself to have mercy and not understanding that trading is just a journey. It's a marathon. Treat yourself with passion, with patience and respect. A loss today is not the end of your trading career. A loss today does not define the whole trading week, neither does it define the whole trading month. As long as you're respecting risk management, even if you did not respect it, learn from it and not to do the same mistake again. Okay. Number seven that I want to really talk about is shift your mindset. Shift your mindset. Uh, as you see losses, I rather want to see losses as a learning curve rather than setbacks. Okay, that can really shift your paradigm mindset into really looking at trading in a different way. Look at it as a business loss that will teach you something, as a learning opportunity rather than a setback. And of course, number eight that I've grown to understand, get back on track. Get back on track. Many of us, we beat ourselves down like, okay, after I lost the CPI, I wanted to get back on track. It didn't allow. That's all right. I missed that trade opportunity, right? And of course, over here today, okay, I missed a trade opportunity to stop me out. But doesn't mean that I should not be afraid to get back on track. When you're ready to re-enter the market with a clear head and confidence in your strategy. So it's all about having that a clear mindset about what's going to happen and having confidence within your strategy. Okay. And of course, this will really guide you guys to really understanding how to handle losses and really overall trading. So I wouldn't do you justice in the School of Sniper entries if I don't teach you this kind of stuff. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I know this video might be a bit shorter for many of you, but yeah, typically it was just to teach you 8 steps on how to handle losses. God bless you. I'll see you in the next episode. Please do tell those who are, looking around for channels to really teach them. This is their channel to teach them and take them to the next level. And do subscribe yourself. Do like this video. It can help others really get this video being suggested to them. God bless you. Thank you.